Jamaica, me hear say Malie dan pull a Yankee boy style pan Skippa dan. Me hear say man them beat up Skippa and take away him chain. Them beat up Skippa from Spain town and take away him chain. The man we say midnight, source of darkness.
Malie dan, you want to look at nine. A day thing you go on with yourself. Why you have to betray that side of it? Me don't know. We, a collective, we the people, we don't know you as a bad man.
In my comment section where they say a man show my fart on Instagram and me in my boxers. A man a come talk about me in I show a brief.
Oh, them man never talk about them around the place and about them a bad man.
Bumbo rascal.
Me sell you out, them couldn't let me.
Done it again! You dirty bastard, you've done it again!
I'm gonna talk about foreign prison with peanut butter and bread. And you see, me talk about a GP where you have a shit in a bucket. And where a chubby buckle is known as a piss girl. Have you ever, what have you, this gentleman here, what have you ever overcome in your life? Have you ever been up against an entire government system, the entire legal system of an entire country? Have you ever been up against the entire legal system of an entire country?
Dear God, I'm praying over this person's Sunday. Father, we thank you for bringing us through yet again another week. Father, you are so faithful. Father, I pray that as they go through this day today, that they will feel your embrace, oh God, that they will feel you walking with them through every trial and tribulation that they may face.
Yo, welcome my beautiful people. Welcome forward to the channel. You don't know me deal with it over on my side, though. I have to big up all of the ones who I give thanks for life. Cause the last time I check it, life are the greatest. All who subscribe to the channel, leave a like on a video and leave them thoughts in the comment section. Today in the review, my people, we have a few things to run through. We have Tripple X, cause Tripple X has speak on the whole Vybz Cartel situation. If you did know, or if you never know, Vybz Cartel did post a semi-naked post. He did make a semi-naked post on him social media few days ago. But he make another one couple days ago. I don't know wagwan my people. Big woman thing, I don't know wagwan, cause you don't know we rate Vybz Cartel and thing, but we don't really know wagwan with this whole thing. Obviously, if me drop in my 2 cents, we know say Vybz Cartel create a controversy for promote him album. You understand me? We know that for a fact. Because Vybz Cartel is a controversial person. Him always a go do something to make the limelight upon him. And you don't know from Speed forward at Jamaica that the whole thing, the whole media they just surround that. Then the whole Yaksta thing surround that. You know what I mean? So Vybz Cartel did have to create a shockwave to make people talk about him, because you don't know God and Time album are forward. But the thing with me have an issue with, you understand me, not a problem, because a guy can do whatever them want to do, and we never ever get influenced by the space, because Vybz Cartel been an influence we as people from long time. If I remember rub on the bleaching cream, for him did sing certain music about the freaks them, and we sisters them now start suck with them nothing suck, even though suckings did go on from long time. But alright, we didn't go talk about that. But what me I try to say now, in my eyes, me feel like say the TikTokers them now, the freaky one them now, them a go endorse them thing and now, cause them now a go dress up semi-naked and feel like say, yo, we can dress up semi-naked and go play a match and endorse them thing that they know you go have the batty boy them up and feed them platform now. I go start send them gifts and all them thing there and endorse the thing and feel like say it right. And if you are go get money for dress up semi-naked, every day I go get up and do it. So the TikTokers them now I go start. You understand what I say, people? So what about in the next 2.5 years? You know, cause we know say Vybz Cartel and no fish. We know say Vybz Cartel I do this for the music. But him now look at things say, yo, what about the impact this might have and all these things? But here what go on my people. Me leave not go talk too long, cause this I don't know lecture class nor nothing. Me I play with Tripple X I say, and make me know what I want. To be honest, my people I fuck with Tripple X attack. You see it, cause Tripple X I say, a man come out of prison, him not for do certain things. A guy come, but me understand what I try to say. You see, but a couple about a Vybz Cartel, no really have to do certain things. You see it, so that are my 2 cents. When make me know what you think in the comment section. And we also have Skippa and Malie than my people. So you want to stick through the vlog and hear where J progress of some people. bad.
I mean, I talk about foreign prison with peanut butter and bread. And you see, I talk about a GP where you have a shit in a bucket. And where a chubby buckle is known as a piss girl. Where you have to spin, I'm gonna have to spin propeller to keep the cell cool. But when you want fart, you have to scream out gas mask so people can cover them nose so you can poop. When 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 man in a little teeny weeny cell, they've designed to hold 2 somebody. And you are going to dictate to this man what to wear upon him head, and what not to wear upon him head, and how him to behave or conduct himself on film social media with fame and fame notoriety where him build and develop for himself or him curate for himself. Wanna see the irony behind all of this? And you see how stupid, when you broke it down, you see how stupid this sound. How entitled them little bumble you be. How entitled them little germs here. Them germs, you see how entitled these fucking germs are. If you come dictate to a 50-year-old a man who's on the earth for half of a fucking century. You want to dictate to the man how to live his life? May I ask you that? No, I could done the video. I could done the video first. Can I go Q&A now?
Like, look at the man I wear bonnet, purple bonnet. I see dad blink up with one man in the airport, and the dog lift him up off 5 ground, and I gotta lift him up, hug him up, and I lift him up off 5 ground. Have a bonnet on him head, and I get.
The man link up with a dog at the airport, and the man hug him up and lift him up off 5 ground. You ever got jail yet, pussy? You ever got jail yet? Eh? You ever, what is the most damning adversity that you've ever overcome? What the biggest thing you ever overcome in your life? May I ask this? That man here, I don't know who him be. What the most challenging thing where you ever overcome in your life? Why you ever, what have you, this gentleman here, what have you ever overcome in your life? Have you ever been up against an entire government system, the entire legal system of an entire country? Have you ever been up against the entire legal system of an entire country? Have you ever spent 13 years in prison? Have you ever spent 13 years in prison before? Have you ever been behind bars and the entire world believes say you're never ever come see road again? All your friends them give up on you. Everybody feel like say you have a rotten and dead at jail. Eh? That ever happened to you yet? You ever there at jail yet? And over there. And police are try beat you, see every turn you turn, them are try abuse and assault you. And hate you. Because even though you're behind bars, people still out there will admire you and adore you. Alright, man, we say purse. Real Damien. Big up yourself, my boss. Big up yourself, real Damien. But here, why you say you get your block? You see me, my father? Enough respect. Zane? Zane? King Boss say we can't defend wrong. When I reach there, say it. Me so reach the question Q&A. You are going to say, it wrong. Me, my virgin, when me rate and respect to the ground, they are jail for 13 years. Me don't have it, say me now go ever see this man again. This man now go ever see road. And this man fly come link me and my country, fly come on country for me, and me see this man for the first after 13 years. A man me grow with. A man me probably do much crime with, me go through much things with, how much adversity. A man we motivate me and inspire me to have everything with me have in a life. Yeah? And me overwhelmed with joy and emotion, a man run come and me say, I hug up my friend and lift up my friend. You go tell me, say me a batty man. Eh? You go tell me, say me a batty man. Because me glad to see my friend. You know, say, yes, you now go and good. I said, because they hat no bumbo class still now. But now I feel the coolness out of me, you see. God know. Eh? You are going to tell me, say, me, not to embrace my friend. How that you are going to tell me, say? No lift up, no fi go on, alright? Suck on the mama. Simple as that. When the man lift him up, go and slap Vybz Kartel in his head and shoot the man. Well, lift him up. That you no fi go do. And say no lift up, no fi go on. Over the bumbo clot. Uno never face nothing yet. You see, uno phone life does nice and happy and good. The most, the only adversity uno face a mountain uno not try balance on a budget. The only adversity uno face a mountain when the bills then can't, when the money can't stretch. None of them never face no trials and no tribulation in our life yet. The only thing uno face, I have to try balance on a budget. I have to try to get on a baby mother, I have to take on out a family court. I only think that. Yeah, I got to talk about say, man, lift him up, the man come through airport and the man. Dons. Nuance. What is nuance? What is bumbleclot nuance? Your favorite baller, Cristiano Ronaldo, and the whole of them, I lift up them one in the dapper. When a goal score, one goal score, and a man run and come chuck pan a man. In a basketball, man, I lift up man and them thing, they jump on man and them thing, they slide and hug up man and kiss man and then sit there. Them man a batty boy. Real comment, we not talk about no my personal issues right now. So say any man who come comment about purse, I go get black right now. Because my purse the right here so still, you know. And I like me left it, you know. But me just in them argument, me can't take the distraction. So anybody who come with no fuckery, me I go block them. You understand? See? Any man come with no fuckery, me I go block them. Simple as that. Because we are focused on me we are talking about today. When I mean we are talking about, we can focus for me. No problem with that. Simple as that. But you see, if you ever come here with fucker, we are talking about something serious right now, because I try to show you, say, dunceness and foolfulness, and that mash up a country. And that mash up a culture. Because we're not bumbleclad fool. The things them are not supposed to focus on and not focus on them there. All the thing you want to see is fuckery. Because none of them boy are batty boy in a real life. Them are batty boy in a real life. Them a batty boy in a real life. And them a try to point a finger to say, oh, him a batty man, him. Like you try for other people. You try to distract people by pointing out somebody else. Just because you try to hide the shit with it on your face. At that. At that. I think I did crab legs, my general. I never know say a chocolate. I think I did crab legs. And I forget on a story straight. You know? You understand? No, I could go back in this now. Ready?
I'm on the airport. And the dog lift him up off a ground and me I thought I lift him up, hug him up and I lift him up off a ground. I have burn it on him head and I get spin. While he put off a ground, fish. What do you see make post in a underpants, in a pink bonnet? Yo, the man cannot be a straight man, bro. I don't believe say that man's straight, bro. The man get shaky.
Alright, so the man married him woman, live with him woman. All of the man life, you hear the man call about 50 million woman. The amount of woman the man name call upon. You never hear the man name call upon no man yet. Never. There has never been any allegations say man name call upon the man. None. The man entire career, you hear about all of the woman them with the man sexual exploits. Right now, me hear the people man talk about say, oh, them want one documentary surviving Vybz Cartel, like how them have surviving R. Kelly, because Cartel fuck off the whole of them female artists them. You understand? See? People have a talk about humiliation ritual. What is a bumbleclad humiliation ritual? You live in your life how you want to live your life. It's a humiliation ritual. You happy and comfortable. You born as a... No, make a sex and paint the picture. Make a paint the picture. You born in a substandard condition, born in poverty, in a Waterford, Jamaica, which is a garrison. Waterford is a garrison. Yes, a Portmore, but it's still a garrison. Born in a garrison. Grew under meager means. My mother tried to do things to me, it never work out. End up off a sex and resort to music. Have to set some curry favor from different selectors and artists. Play my name, get the notoriety, end up in a badness. In a badness, I revel in a badness, and it end up get out of control. People start proclaiming to be the leader of factions, warring factions. They over there, so go through life where me have to escape bullet, me have to do things somebody never really want to do, or even do things somebody really and truly want to do, for set so and for survive, for stay relevant, and for ensure that me and the people around me are protected. And to create an whole entire empire for myself after the person who bring me into the forefront, me have to move away from that for reinvent myself and reinvent my career. After I do this now, I'm create my own faction, create my own empire, literally, more empire, Gaza. After I do this now, I have to set so and go against an entire alliance of all of the entire music industry that was against me, curate my own fans, create one of the most prolific clash them in Jamaica, where the police and the government and the church and every well-being individual or well-thinking individual in the country so supposedly hate me like poison. You understand? Zane, mash up everything. Mash up everything and everybody feel like me I come destroy the culture. Me have to sit and rewrite what it means to be successful in our industry. That is stoked in conservatism. The music I sing, protest go on about it. Pick up some young youth that nobody don't know, give them the world for run. Create an whole empire. Create a whole dynasty. By myself. Do all of them things. Sort out of a sort out. People have me as an evil person. Some people have me as them father. Some people have me as them God. Some people have me as the coming of the Antichrist. It ended up that it got so destructive that my own country where I born and grow in, when I help to put on the map musically, decide say them want conspire to get me off of the road. Through this conspiracy, me get arrested for something that I might and or might have not done. With limited evidence. Limited evidence got tampered with. The trial was a mistrial. And not treated as a mistrial. And I was imprisoned for 25 years to life. Went on several appeals. Appeals got turned down. Took out all of my life's earning and savings and everything that I've accumulated over my entire lifespan and career. It took everything for me to appeal to the Queen's Council to finally get vindicated and come back a road. After I come back a road, I am met by a fanfare of the entire world embracing me, celebrating my life and my ascension to freedom. Me start earn monies that I have never even believed that I would ever earn in my entire lifetime. The woman will stand by me. Zane, it's about the crab legs you stole. What crab legs? I thought it was chocolate. Get on a story street. The woman will stand by me through all of them things. Help me through all of them something. Me I try to give her the life where me believe she deserve because she stand up there. Through me. Me I take care of my baby mother them. Me I take care of my pitney them. Me I take care of my mother. Me I take care of all the people who stand by me in a prison. Me I create opportunity and business opportunity for all the people who they tough it out in me. And I push them career to the forefront. And after me I push all of them people career to the forefront. And I do everything I want to. Me now want to enjoy some of the life that me never enjoy in a prison. And me feel so happy and feel so comfortable in myself. Say me want to do what me want to do. And remember, during all of them things we are going, you know. During all of them things we are going, he might get negative criticism right through. People are bringing him down right through all of them things. Him face all of them adversity. In him head mentally almost mad, almost develop a sickness. Develop a fucking sickness. We could have killed in a jail, almost go to the brink of death. A fight it in a jail. With limited medical intervention. with limited intervention. And then when I go look on this man here, when the man beat the ads, no, you see the ads of him reaching from a little boy a Waterford to world boss, Vybz Kartel part in there right now. You know what are the odds of reaching this? And then this a little pissing tail bumbuckler junker. This a little pissing tail junker. I go complain and compare and contrast how the man life go. How fucking dare you? Who the fuck? Who raised you, bro?
Jamaica, me hear say Malie Dan pull a Yankee boy style pan Skippa Dan. Me hear say man them beat up Skippa and take away him chain. I only foreign style them you know when rapper approve a thing you know. You see me I deal with a man them beat up Skippa from Spain town and take away him chain. The man will say midnight, source of darkness. That can't true. I can't Skippa we say one daddy badness. I was one that Skippa them attack. Somebody check if a Skippa from Spain town them attack. The Skippa we say one daddy badness. Skippa. If a the Skippa we me a think about, the artist Skippa. Something no right ya so. Beat up Skippa in a Miami and take away him chain. Skippa. But you know, it's no strange though. Because remember say a 6 run Miami, you know. In the dancehall space. And a 6 Malie dance say. Skippa membership your badness tap a Spain town. So if I no Spain you take Skippa, that means say Malie Dan good a beat you up for true and take away your chain. Me a wait for more information because if I want daddy badness, if I Skippa we say midnight, darkness, something not right. Something don't right at all.
Again, I ask the question, what are we doing? What we are do, bro? Like, where you depend? Where you depend? Is either you one or the other, you know? Is either you gonna be a roadman as in a nakis, or you gonna do music? Which is it? Which is it? Because obviously we don't learn, you know. We, as Jamaican people, it seems that we have to learn the hard way. And this is exactly why the slave masters' teachings and the Willie Lynch, you need to go read a book there, the Willie Lynch letter of a discipline a slave is still literally running through our veins. Because in a sense, if you're not get beaten, if your parents not beat you, if I talk to you, like soft parenting no work. Like if I talk to you, baby, don't do that. Do not do that. Don't do that. Don't do it. But if as soon as I reach for the belt and clap you with it, you learn. Why? Why we have to go through the things then before we understand that this is not the way to do so? No, Malie Dan, you want to go booby nine. A day thing you go on with yourself. Why you have to portray that side of it? Me don't know. We, a collective, we the people, we don't know you as a bad man. We know you for do music. You may do some derogatory music for say glorifying crime and violence, but we don't know you as for say, alright then, news 12 o'clock news, Malie Dan has been found 7 o'clock news, Malie Dan has been found You've been sentenced to how much 10 years of prison because of your involvement with this and that, and you commit that and that and that, and you find guilty for a case. We don't know you for that, brother. We know you for music. We don't know you for the badness. So when me see them thing here, it make me wonder like, what are we doing as a people? Imagine you as a little booby Nile, where you're dying and you beg Father God every day for your chance. You find a craft and you say, you know what, this I want, and at this I'm a way to victory and success in our life, because me see where in my father, my uncle, my cousin, my friend them I grew up with fall to the system. Tiny, you gotta look over the ring light. Out of everywhere in the world, in the house, you could have come and yes, so you come drop for make the ring light leak out. Boy, it's a different, you're different, you know. You see the examples that your peers are